Hey everybody, and welcome to the mini zine tutorial. My name is Luke, and I will be walking you through how to make your own mini zine. So all you need is this piece of paper that you got in your kit and a pair of scissors. So to start, what we're going to do is we are going to make some shapes touch. So we're going to have the stars touch first, and then fold like that. And we're going to open that up, and then we're going to have the dots touch. Like that. Awesome. Oopsies. Then what we're going to do is we're going to open it back up so the shapes are showing. And we're going to flip it on its back. And we're going to make the dots come together. So kind of like that is one. And then like that is two. And if you kind of want to see what this shape looks like, it's going to look like a little letter M or W, depending on which way you hold it. Just like that. Okay, so once we have the shape like that, what we're going to do now is we're going to reopen it and fold down the middle like this so that our dotted line is showing. Now, you can cut either on the dotted line, or if you can see right there, there's a crease. It might work better if you fold it right. If you cut it on the crease. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to cut right along like that on the crease, or pretty close to it. It doesn't have to be directly on it. And then don't go any further than that, or it might not work so well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open this up. Fold it flat like this again. And then we're going to scrunch these up so the folded sides are up in the air, like that. And then we're going to bring them together. Oopsies. Going to bring them together like this. And then fold it down so you get kind of like a check mark or a T mark. And if it's giving you problems, I just want to make sure the crease is still folded like that. Okay. Just like this, and then we fold it up like that. So it looks kind of like a T or a check mark, or a plus sign. And if you can see how these are a little bit bubbly, if you want to fold them down like that. And then the last step for this is folding it together to make your little magazine booklet. So with the T, kind of hold it down like this. 1, 2, 3. And you've got a mini zine. So this is 8 pages where you can make a little booklet on whatever you'd like to make. So some ideas, maybe you could make a booklet on what you'd like to put in your magazine in a museum. Or you can do a little booklet on what you see out in your backyard. I did one as an example. I'm not the best artist, but I saw a squirrel with some acorns. So on one page I drew an acorn, the other page I drew a squirrel, and you've got 8 pages to do this. So if you are going to use these, do this activity, please make sure it's okay with an adult that you're using scissors, or do it with them. Thank you for joining us, and I hope your zine comes out well. Have a good day.